Sometimes when we are in this journey to financial transformation, when we're in this journey to financial freedom, when we are wanting to change something about our financial lives, it can be a very overwhelming process. And sometimes you're going to need some inspiration to help continue to walk the journey. So in today's episode, I want to share with you a few little surprises that I want you guys to know of what you can do to help inspire you along the way in your journey to financial transformation. So if you're ready, let's go. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone. Hi, everyone. It's Sophia Melonē, the Debt Demolisher, here to bring you the tools, tips, and tricks to help you manage your financial baggage the right way. What an honor and privilege it is to be before you all for yet another episode drop here on the Debt Demolisher TV, where today we're going to be talking about how to stay inspired during the journey. One of the things that's important to know is that when you decide to make a difference in your life, whether it be in your personal life, whether it be in your financial life, whether it be in your faith life, whether it be in your business life, there are going to be hurdles. There are going to be moments where you're going to not feel the energy, where you're going to feel low, where you're going to need a push, where you're going to need an inspiration. But here's what I want you guys to really see and understand, that there is support in all different aspects and all different ways around you. You just have to allow yourself to be available to it. Here is one thing that I learned. When I started my debt freedom journey, I was doing this thing alone. I changed completely everything about how I acted one day, and it completely changed the next day because the light switch went off for me and I said, oh no, I need to change my behaviors. But in this moment, it got lonely. In this journey, it got intense. In this moment, I had to learn to not only tell people no, but I had to learn to tell myself no. I had to learn to focus on the bigger goal that I was trying to go after, the freedom that I was trying to experience, the mission that I was trying to accomplish. And I didn't know that it would take me to where I am today. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to allow you to see that once you begin to open up your mind to a certain level of state of awareness, there are going to be challenges that surface. And how are you going to keep yourself motivated? How are you going to keep yourself going along the journey? How are you going to ensure that you keep walking with your face forward, with your eyelids facing forward, without looking to the left or to the right, focusing on your destination? Focusing on your destination. So one of the ways in which you can help yourself stay encouraged along the journey is not only utilizing affirmations or things that you tell yourself, reminders that you tell yourself to say, hey, I can do this. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I can do this. I set my mind to this. This is a goal. It can happen. If God said it before me, then it can happen. If God said it before me, then it is already done. Speak it and know it like it's true. But understand that the ride isn't going to always be isn't always going to be easy during the journey. So you tell yourself that this is a moment. This is a moment that I will overcome. This is a moment that I will get past. This is a moment that will subdue because my greatness is on the other side. My greatness is awaiting me. My financial prosperity is awaiting me. So remember, one of the things that I always say as I close out each and every video on the Debt Demolisher TV, and that is your financial prosperity awaits you. And one of the ways in which I like to inspire people, one of the ways in which I like to serve as a source of a reminder to people was that I created a line. I created a Debt Demolisher collection line. And what that line is, it's starting out with just 3 simple phrases that can help you stay encouraged on your journey, because I know how hard it is to keep the fight. I know how sometimes you just need a reminder. You need a picker-upper. You need someone to tell you like, hey, okay, I see you. Is it still awaiting you? Are you still doing the work? Is your debt freedom a new norm for you? Are you building your cash reserve on autopilot? What does that look like? So I created a apparel line. I created an online store that has a combination of various things that you can be able to use and leverage to keep you motivated. There's mugs, there's shirts, there's sweatpants, there's pouches, there's bags, there's hats, there's masks. It's all there, pens, bottles, to help you stay encouraged along your way, to remind you which way you're going, to remind you of the fight that you're fighting. So what I want to do, I want to go ahead and pull up my site so that way you guys can actually see the apparel and see the collection, and you can see the story behind what I started and why I started it. So if you're ready, let me go ahead and pull up the site right now so I can walk you guys through it. All right, so when you go to my website, sophiamelonē.com, of course, it's going to take you to the home page of my website. And my website, of course, has a lot of different things. You can access my products, you can access more information about my courses, you can access information about the services I provide, as well as you'll be able to see a few testimonials and see some of the places where I've been featured in terms of speaking and presentations. But there is a separate link that will take you to my shop. So I have where you can explore more about me, where you can learn more about my digital academy, and then where you could view the Debt Demolisher collection. So, or you can just click the shop button at the top. It'll take you right to the shop page on my website. And this is telling you guys about the vision behind the brand, the vision behind SophiaMelonē.com, the vision and the inspiration that I want to be able to provide to you to help you wear the inspiration. So the Debt Demolisher collection is inspiring your financial prosperity through apparel, accessories for men, women, and kids. Yes, men, women, and kids. So I want to share where it all started. So it started when I wanted to inspire the transformational shift in the financial relationships of households across the globe. That passion went from live coaching to journals to apparel and accessories. So advocating to make debt freedom the new norm and wealth building the natural nature of habit. Since this brand's inception, since the birth of Sophia Melonē, the Sophia designed the Debt Demolisher collection with a worldwide financial movement in mind. I started this thing with a worldwide financial movement in mind. The Debt Demolisher collection is meant to be an inspiration. It's meant to inspire you in your finances. It's meant to help you rock a signature piece from one of my 3 lines of inspiration that can keep you motivated along the way. And what are those 3? Make debt freedom the new norm. You all know that I came up with a rap and I posted it on my YouTube channel. And one of the things that I said inside of that rap is that I'm making debt freedom my new norm, y'all. Hey, demolish 360K of debt. No, that's facts. Hey, been a caregiver to my mama 12 years flat. Hey, ain't looking for no praise, but believe, no, just that. Hey, if you pay attention, I can show you how to do it. If you really want to know what I did, what it took just to get a whole bunch of debt, just to go away. Link up with me so you can cultivate a healthy money link so we can, take your credit score to a new wave. 847, so I teach it in a new way. Full registration for my class, but you're throwing shade. Still going bad on you anyway. Oh, the Debt Demolisher. Y'all already know. Y'all already know the rap. And speaking of credit trainings, I do have a credit training that is coming up on June the 25th, 2022. If you are watching this video in 2022, feel free to go down to the link in the description box and register for the next credit virtual workshop. This is a quarterly workshop that I offer, and I want to ensure that you get your access to the tools and the information that can help you take your credit score to new heights. So check the link in the description box and register, or I can link it right here for you. So the 3 things: making debt freedom the new norm. The next logo was cash reserve on autopilot. That's the next line of inspiration. And then the 3rd one is my financial prosperity awaits me. That's the 3rd line of inspiration. So I want to encourage you to wear your debt freedom statements loud and proud by shopping the Debt Demolisher collection. So let me take you on over to the Debt Demolisher collection. And I want to let you know, if you're watching this video between today, May 28th, and Tuesday, May 31st. If you're watching this video today, May 28th, 2022, up until Tuesday, May 31st, 2022, there is 15% off of the entire site. My entire Debt Demolisher collection site, there is 15% off. All you have to do is just click the redeem button when you're ready to shop, and it'll give you that 15% off. So it's 15% off of everything on the site. So I want to welcome you inside of the line of inspiration. I want you to find an inspiring piece to rock your financial prosperity journey. You click on the shop now button. It'll take you to all of the different things. It's a combination of winter gear and also summer kind of gear. I know that it's not always summertime across the world everywhere. So depending on where you are, you can pick the apparel piece that's based on you and what you need in the season that you're in. So we have shirts, building cash reserve on autopilot. We have sweatshirts, we have tie shirts, we have lunch bags, we have fanny packs, we have dresses, t-shirt dresses, come on. We have sweatsuits, we have the Making the Debt Freedom the New Norm sweatshirts. We got it for men too, nice color if you want that nice color, mugs, tanks for you to work out in. There's so many different options, pillows, little sweatshirts, handbags, all different colors, all different types, all different variety of pieces from the collection, long sleeve, short sleeve, tankies, polos, sweatsuits, you name it, it's there. It's there. It's there. My financial prosperity awaits me. You have your water bottle. If you want to be able to work out in your water bottle, carry your water bottle, remind yourself of when you need to see the decisions that you're making, that it's awaiting you. If you want buttons, you can get a button. If you want some more pillows, you can put some pillows. If you need an apron, or if you need a mask, it's all there for you. So I want to encourage you all to look for what you want. Look for what you want to inspire maybe even your kids. There's kids t-shirts here. There's different accessories you can skim through and look at. There's items for women. There's items for men. You can choose it by topic, by the line of inspiration that I've mentioned to you all. And again, if you're watching this video between May 28th, 2022 and May 31st, 2022, you can get 15% off of any of the items that you put inside of your cart and you purchase it in terms of, I guess this is a sale for Memorial Day that my site is offering. So I just wanted to show you all what it looks like to put something that you have envisioned, put something that you desire at the forefront and transfer it into a movement. One of the things that I said from the beginning of when I started this channel was that I wanted to create a movement of making debt freedom the new norm and wealth building the natural nature of habit. That was my mission from day one when I first started the channel. And I can link the very first video that I posted and then I released on this channel that talks about why I started the channel, what the purpose of the channel is. And I said that very same thing. I want to create a movement of making debt freedom the new norm. And so it might have started with me verbalizing, it may have started with me sharing videos, but then that transferred into apparel, that transferred into accessories, that transferred into things that you can carry, purses that can remind you each and every day, because it's designed to be a line of inspiration. So you pick up what you need to remind you to keep going along your journey. You pick up what you need to remind you that you can do this. You pick up what you need to help you put into practice, to help you honor the routine that you've created around your finances so that you can be the best financial steward that you can be based on the resources that the Lord has blessed you with. So when you start something, you never know what it's going to feed into. You never know what it's going to blossom into. You never know what it's going to grow into. So just by me starting a channel, but about a year later, it birthed into me creating an apparel line. And after a couple of years after that, it birthed into me creating specific programs. A year after that, it birthed into me creating courses, evergreen courses. And now I'm consistently showing up and providing videos and providing resources and providing information that can help you apply the things that you need to apply to your life to change your financial life. Because my desire is for you to be able to have a financial transformation. Whether you can pay for a session or not, you can get the resources here. You can get what you need to take it at your own pace. You can get what you need to take it at your own pace. I have over 600 videos on this channel right now. As of today, I have 665 videos. 665 videos. By the time this goes up, it'll probably be 667 videos visible on the channel. So there is a plethora of resources. You just have to create the time for you to go and find what you need. And if you need to be pointed in the right direction of which video you need to watch, I have something coming for you that can help you with that. So wear your journey. Be excited about your journey. Be proud of your journey. Be bold of what you're doing in your finances, and be willing to admit that all isn't well, but you're working to make it well. And so when you wear your piece, when you wear an item from the Debt Demolisher collection, when you wear something to inspire you along your journey, you're going to inspire someone else along the way. Because when they see you walking in boldness, when they see you wearing that shirt, when they see you carrying that bag, when they see you drinking from that mug, when they see you, they're going to say, I want that level of confidence. I want that level of boldness. I want that level of transformation. I want what she's working on. Where did you get that shirt from? Where did you get that bag from? Where did you get that mug from? Where did you get that button from? And you know what you can tell them? SophiaMelonē.com/shop. It'll take you right to it. So I want to thank you all so much for all that you have been doing. You've been coming back to the channel, getting the lessons, getting the knowledge. But I just wanted to release a form of inspiration, a form of a reminder to serve, to support your financial awareness. Because when you become financially aware, that's when the challenges will begin to surface. And you're going to need something to pull on to keep you moving forward. You're going to need something to pull on to keep you looking straight without going left or right. So grab a piece from the Debt Demolisher collection. And if you're watching this video within the window that I mentioned, then you can get 15% off of everything off of the site. Remember, your financial prosperity awaits you, and so does your financial sanity. You already know what I'm going to tell you to do, and that's what? Get to work. All right. Bye. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia